In this short video, I will explain how to use and understand the Goal Priority Analysis Insight. Insights are conversation starters between you and your clients which show quick strategies. They sit outside a plan, which means they do not alter the plan. So in a couple of clicks, Voyant Insights can help you with a savings and investment strategy, show you the impact of a market crash, or in this case, what would happen if you re-evaluated the goals. Insights are not advice. In this plan, we can see that Simon and Helen potentially cannot achieve their retirement goals. This is shown by the shortfall in the plan. You can see the red bars there. Here are their goals in retirement. They have their must-have income retirement goals. So I've set these on the priority slider as a basic priority, top level. Then they have their like to have, so these are the holidays, things that they would like to do. So I've set this midway down the priority slider there, denoted as a leisure goal. And then they have the nice to have. So this could be their second holiday, for example. The things that they, it would be nice to do, but not necessarily. And I've set this down on the priority slider as a luxury goal. We also have individual goal here, which is a deposit for Lucy's house, which I've also set as a luxury priority goal there. The goal priority analysis allows you, and more importantly your clients, to re-evaluate the plan based on the different priority levels that are assigned to each goal, and perhaps lead them to consider what has to be sacrificed or reduced unless, for example, savings and investments are prioritised during the working life stage. And you can use the annual savings, investment returns or lump sum savings insights to help you with this. So let's run the insight. I'm going to click on the Insights tab. You can see that each insight has a brief description of what it does. I'm going to click on the Goal Priority Insight. Once selected, each insight has a more detailed description. You can use the slider to deselect the different categories of goals, or you can select or deselect each goal. Let's deselect the nice to have and the like to have goals, and then click Get Started. The chart now shows the results of removing those two goals, and you can see that they can achieve the goals that are remaining. Their must-haves, the education goals and the house deposit for Lucy. As with all charts in Voyant, you can change the chart view. You can select details, you can put that on and off, and you can also go to year view. You can click on compare to plan to compare the insights results to the original plan. You can change the chart type here too. Click back on simulation chart to return to the single chart. You can reselect, deselect any goal again and click recalculate. If you click on the pencil symbol, this will take you to the goal, which you then can edit. You may want to do this in a what if, and then you can compare the base plan and the original goals to the edited figures. Our inline help feature is also available in Insights. Just click on the dots and the inline help window will open. Inline help has a brief explanation of the topic and links to our knowledge base, articles and videos. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.